You want to earn a high income online without a degree and work from anywhere in the world? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 remote jobs that pays really well in 2025 and 2026. And the best part, you don't need a degree to get started. So stick around because one of these jobs might very well change your life. If you're new to this channel, welcome back. My name is Salua. I have been working remotely for the past 8 years and I now teach freedom seekers how to launch an online business or how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. So here's the reality. Regular jobs are not safe anymore. With AI automation, bunch of layoffs, and recently a government shutdown in the US. But on the other hand, remote jobs are exploding, and this is a great opportunity to jump on that wagon. Today, more and more companies are hiring based on skills and expertise rather than degrees. And by working remotely, you can not only build your income, you can build multiple streams of income, and you can work from anywhere. You are not tied down to one location specifically. So let's start with job number 1. Highest paying job that you can start today without a degree would be any tech and software roles. So UX, UI designers, coders, developers. If you have been working for a company doing that, or if you have the experience of doing that, this is a high in demand, high paying jobs that you can get started today. Tech is not going anywhere. Developers, programmers, UX, UI designers can earn anywhere between $70,000 to $150,000 a year. And if you work remotely, especially if you work from another country, that's a lot of money. You can live really, really well with that type of salary. No degree, no problem. Many companies hire based on skills and portfolio. So if you don't have a portfolio, I highly recommend you get started with creating one. You can start with Canva. You type portfolio, you're going to see many templates there, or better yet, you can create a one-page website when you can add your portfolio, your resume on there, everything that you've done, you have expertise, and you can use that as your resume. And if you don't have any experience and you don't know how to get started, there are tons of platforms where you can start learning online for free. So let me share a few of them. You can start learning through platforms like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, or even Udemy, and showcase your work on GitHub. The next one on my list, and this is what I've been doing for a very long time, is digital marketing and social media marketing. You don't need a degree, you need to learn, and to be quite honest, marketing is changing all the time, so it's up to you to really pick up the trends and stay knowledgeable so you can help out your clients. But also, businesses need marketing. That has been the case for, I don't know, maybe hundreds of years, but since there was businesses, there was marketing. And so the main thing is that companies don't have the time. They don't have the time to get things done when it comes to marketing, but they also need it. They know that they cannot launch a business without marketing. It doesn't make sense. You have a product or services, but you don't tell nobody about it. How you gonna make sales? How you gonna stay in business? So this one isn't going anywhere. From SEO to paid ads to business needs, online visibility more than ever. Digital marketers, social media managers, PPC specialists can make between $50,000 to $120,000 a year. So if you have never started in digital marketing, I highly recommend you start learning and then build your portfolio slowly. You can start by helping small businesses first so you can collect testimonials. And then once you have a good portfolio, you can start applying remotely for companies. LinkedIn has a remote search bar when you can, every day I get tons of social media and digital marketing positions. This isn't going anywhere. Make sure you add value, that you know your craft. If you can pick a niche, better. So either you're gonna be doing PPC or you're gonna do Facebook ads, stick to one niche and become an expert at this, and then start applying to work remotely to these companies. Start small and grow one step at a time. The next one on my list is freelance writing and copywriting. So if you don't know what copywriting means, it's writing marketing sales copy. So anything that can sell. Website pages, landing pages, even social media posts. Freelancers can earn between $30,000 to $80,000 a year and more if you specialized in a niche like health, tech, or finance. And if you worry about AI, I would make that your best friend. I would use AI to help you. I would not copy paste. Please don't do that. Especially now they have softwares that can detect when you copy paste from ChatGPT, for example. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great for landing clients fast, even if you are just starting out. The next one on my list, and honestly my favorite one, is virtual assistant. I've done so many videos about virtual assistant because it's hands down the easiest to get started with. You don't need a degree and you don't need much to get started at all. So I made a whole video about virtual assistant. Make sure you go check check it out. It'll explain everything on how to get started and how to find jobs. So virtual assistants are in high demand. From managing email to customer support and scheduling, virtual assistant can make anywhere between $25,000 to $50,000 a year. I know it seems low, but hear me out. If you are really honing your craft and you become really good at this, you can scale up and create your own virtual assistant agency. That's why I like it. You start working with one client, you're doing all the admin work, and then you add capacity. You're gonna start training and hiring somebody else to work with you. Next thing you know, you have 4 or 5 virtual assistants working for you, and you are the one getting them the clients, and you can take on bigger projects. So if you are deciding to become a specialized VA, so you'll specialize, for example, in project management for a mid to large company, or you want to specialize in e-commerce or tech as a virtual assistant, you can even make up to $70,000 a year. And again, you can scale that up. So these numbers that I'm giving you is what based on my research. But of course, you can make a lot more depending on how you strategize and how fast you grow. So if you are organized, flexible, you learn fast, I think virtual assistant is for you. The last one on my list is online coach. Online coach, consulting, or selling digital products. So this one, I have to be honest, it's probably the hardest one. Again, depending on where you are in your life, if you are just leaving your full-time job or you're starting new, that can take some time because you have to build your audience, you have to be recognized for your skills. But what I really love about this is that if you have been working for a company for a long time as a, I don't know, anything, you can use your skills and become a consultant. You can even get hired as a consultant for your own company. The beauty of hiring consultant is that you get paid more by other companies. You can do a workshop for 2 days and get paid very well. So for that, you would need to have one expertise. And from there, you're just gonna lay it out and package it in ways that you can teach, whether one-on-one, whether groups, whether working for companies. You can do speaking events, you can do workshops. There's so much you can do, and you can also work online. You have to build your audience. It takes time, but the sky is the limit for this. You can make well over $200,000 a year if you are really consistent in building this business. Online coaches can be anywhere from health and wellness coach, career coach, fitness coach, business coach. There's so many coaches out there. And I've also done a video about how to make money as an online coach, so make sure you go check it out. The key here is to offer value, bring results to your clients, and make sure, one second. Yeah. See, I always get, viens ma chérie. I always get interrupted by Mustafet. You want to say hello? Say hello, Mustafet. This is Mustafet, everybody. She's 3 months. Okay, let me work. The key here is to position yourselves in jobs that are in high demands as far as coaches. Bring value, deliver results, build your expertise like that. Make sure you have your portfolio, you have your testimonials, and you can really, really grow as a coach. So don't sleep on that one. And the beauty of it all is you can run it from anywhere. And by the way, I myself is a certified business coach. I've done it for over 10 years. I've helped a lot of people working remotely, building an online business. And if this is something that interests you, please check out my website at selwaybalin.com. I do offer one-on-one online coaching as well as courses on how to start working remotely. Lastly, I do have a free guide for you, the Remote Income Roadmap. I'm going to leave the link down below. It is completely free. Check it out. This will give you a good benchmark on how to get started. And if you do have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, and bye-bye from Mexico. Bye!